You guys aren't going to believe this. The Lexus now has forward gears. Okay. What I did was, well, you know what? There's nothing to lose. I put it in gear. And I just revved it to like almost 4,000 RPM and it kicked in. Because, you know, the train of thought here is, okay, let's spin the transmission a lot faster, see if that pump can just, you know, get the fluid circulating. If something's stuck, it'll hopefully wedge it, unwedge it, and it worked. The forward gears work. You know, we can go for a cruise. So what I want to do is take it for a spin, get the transmission warmed up, and just change the fluid, because that fluid looks pretty bad, and that might be the cause of all this, you know, the problem. Again, nothing to lose because the car drives perfectly fine. You know, it shifts, it doesn't slip. I think it's just some little mechanical valve or a check, you know, ball or something hanging up, and then boom, you're stranded. So let's pull in the shop, do a spill and fill. I'm not going to touch the filter or anything, just because sometimes, you know, disturbing too many things isn't good either. So just, I hope it has a drain plug. We'll see. So I'm about to pull in the shop. Apparently it's happy now. Alright, we got the big ES300 in the garage. Let's drain this fluid. Thank you, Toyota, for including drain plugs on your transmission pans. That should be standard, along with dipsticks on all makes and models. Sadly, they're moving away from that. No dipsticks, no drain plugs. How are you supposed to service your car? Ugh. Oh, this is going to be beautiful. So we'll drain all of it and then measure how much came out. Put the same amount back in. Woo! That is black. Just pulled out the dipstick so it would come out faster. That's some nasty stuff. I made a little mess here, but not too bad. All right, good to the last drop. I want to drop that plug into the pan. Screw it nice and easy. Tighten her down. It's probably never coming out ever again. Now let's measure how much fluid came out. So to measure how much fluid came out, I like to use a empty jug from a quart motor oil, because it goes up to 5 quarts. It has gradations on the side, which makes it very convenient. Let's this stuff is just, it's literally as black as used motor oil. I think it's supposed to be that color. So just about 4 quarts on the line there. Maybe a touch less. We spilled a little bit. That's how much we're going to put in. We're going to use the Valvoline Max Life full synthetic fluid. It's compatible with the Toyota, Lexus Type T1, 2, etc. This is the good stuff. Alright, here we go. Beautiful, fresh red fluid. I'm going to dump most of this jug in, and as Scotty Kilmer would say, pray, cross your fingers and pray that this thing will drive smooth as butter. Alrighty, 3.5 quarts of fluid is in there. Let's start up, shift through the gears. Alright, reverse, yes, neutral, drive. There we go. Very delayed, but it went in. Yep. Park, reverse, a little clunky, neutral. There you go. It's going in, that's good news. It's getting better. Alright, it's warming up a little bit. Check the fluid level and take this baby for a spin. And by the way, that annoying squeaking sound, it's not coming from the belts. If you put a little water on the belts, it doesn't change anything. I think it's coming from the timing belt area. Might be an idler in there. Bearings getting a little bad, but I think these are non-interference, so even if the belt seizes up, not a good situation, but it shouldn't really mess anything up that bad. Alright, so our transmission fluid level is a little above the top mark, and it's looking a lot cleaner, which is awesome. Alright, time for a test drive. Alright, here we go. Neutral. Let's accelerate. Drives real smooth. Shift's great. I mean, feels like a brand new car. Awesome. Well, I hope you enjoyed that diagnosis and repair on this 94 Lexus. Transmission shifts like butter, engages quickly, and I'll try it again on a cold start, but I think it was just dirty transmission fluid and something inside of there was just sticking once in a while, no forward gear. So if your Lexus has this symptom, first thing you want to do is check the fluid, not only the level, but also the condition. So in this case, the owner got off really lucky. Again, cross your fingers that it'll stay fixed. But we still saw the diagnostic process, the thought process, and how to do electrical checks on solenoids to see if they actually move. That is key, because otherwise, how do you know? Electrically it might be fine, the coil's good, but how do you know if it's moving? You can see it on the scope. That's the only way to do it. I mean, I guess you can hear it click, but Nah, like fuel injector, you can hear it click, but if that pattern isn't right, it's not moving quite right. So that's it. Thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.